welcome to another video. Well, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. I woke up like 2 a.m. to go to San Diego. There's a cruise that I want to go to, and this is gonna be my first long solo trip, and I am actually kind of nervous.
A few moments later.
On the way here, on the way to California, I wrecked my C6, and it's pretty bad. I hit cones, and I don't know what to do. Well, I'll show you. It's really bad. I don't know. I want to film this. It's gonna be super expensive. Alright, we made it here to Azusa meet, and I think we're gonna go to cruise next. And now I will show you the video. The driver's meeting over. I'll see you guys in the canyon. Bye. Until the Touge, it turned into regular traffic. We're just parking on the side, letting the cars cool down a bit and just enjoying my pizza and the views. And my gimbal died, so from now on my video is gonna be not stable, but keep watching, please. Bye. Bye. Alright, we are here at the top of the canyons, and it's pretty windy and it's pretty cold, but we made it. There's a lot of cars, and few already just left, but there are some, actually a lot of cars still here. Crazy, and I got tangled. My hair got really tangled because it's really windy and it's sandy, and my hair is dry. Hey guys, so I realized I forgot to film an outro, so here I am filming the outro 3 days later. But the reason why I didn't film an outro was because we did so much that day, so it's gonna be another video, so go ahead and subscribe. No, 50% of you watching this video did not subscribe, so go ahead and just do it. Subscribe today, thank you. So in the beginning of the video, the Corvette didn't look bad, but it's actually pretty bad, let me tell you. So the lower radiator support is shot. One of the headlight lenses is shot. The paint on the bumper is shot. Some of the turn signal wiring is shot. And the brake ducts are not even there anymore. So I already ordered the parts, but if this video gets 7 likes, I will film a video of me fixing it. So please like, subscribe, and comment. And if your car was on the video, just comment your Instagram name on the comment below so I can follow you on Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram, and we can be friends and hang out all the time. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Mata ne!